channel. Today we are going to celebrate the Diwali, and yeah, the short Diwali is gone yesterday, and so we are going to buy the decorations and pataka shop and pataka shopping and sweet shopping and lots more. So let's go. So we have reached the sweet shop, and now we will buy the sweets. So after buying the Rasmalai, we will buy something else. I will show you. So I was saying, I will show you another sweet. So this is another sweet. This one, rainbow one. And we are, yes.
Okay. We will buy it. Okay. Sure.
So now we are going to leaving this shop. So now we are going to buy Diyas and toys. So let's go. The Diyas and the toys and which all the things we have to buy in the shop. So I will show them in my house. Okay. Reach the pataka shop, and we will buy patakas from here. And I was saying I will show you the sweets which I buy, and let's show you the sweets. So these are all the sweets you can see in this dali, and I will show you one by one. This is Son Papri of Pramod. This is Son Papri of Pramod, and this is Chena, and this is Rasmalai. And this is also a Son Papri.
Not Son Papri, this is Patisa.
Oh yes, this is a patisa. I have not eaten yet. Yes. And this is a yummy mithai. This is a yummy sweet.
Kalakand.
Yes, it's named Kalakand. And there is lots more to show. This is also Parmod, and this is named Besan Laddu. And more to show. Aha! And this is all sweet I have never eaten in my life. Never.
Okay, so
Can I open this?
yes.
I will show you. Sprinkle. It's not opening. Yes. It's opening. It's opening. I'll show you. And here is it. Sure. Look at this. I have never eaten this. Never. Daddy, can I eat this?
Yes, you can.
Yummy. So yummy. Yum. So yum. So yummy. Bye. So now we are going to make Diyas. Make like this. So we are celebrating the Diwali and we are doing puja. And Mama has already get the Diyas to the Tulsi Mata and her God. So let's go inside. These are the Ghadkulla. This is the Ghadkulla and this is beautiful. We have made joint light in it, so it will react like it's having light inside the rooms, and we have made it so big with the help of cardboard and design paper. You can see? Beautiful, right?
Right.
So, let's do the puja. We are now preparing for puja. Whoa! What a design! This is like hen. And what do have we here? I don't know what is this, and I don't know this one also. Whoa, this is like a human head, right? You can see this flattened one. Oh. Whoa, look at this.
The horse.
Yes. And
This is something. What is
oh, there is something else. I'll put all of
Do you have
these.
some more?
No,
No?
it's vanished. And Horse. I don't know what is this. A snake maybe. Oh, look at this. A cute cow. And a lamp. It's like a crayon also.
These are designer sweets.
Yes. And this is like a pot. Look at it.
Yes, yes.
Oh, that is a loud bang. Look at this. This is a bird. I'm putting this here. A bit here. Not to eat, Betty.
और रखिए
I have done mine.
और डालो
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, where the pot? I found it.
यस
Daddy, I have done mine. Daddy, I have done mine.
Okay.
Look at mine.
Wow, this is good.
Yes.
और डालो
Do you want to film more, Mama?
Very good.
क्लैपिंग
Mama, I want to make some more. I want to make some more dishes.
Wow, wow.
What can I make?
यू कैन रिलीज ओनली
Oh. In what?
Yummy.
Mommy.
चलो चलो डालो और डालो
I want to make different things.
She started to eat.
I want to make different things. I want to make different things. Mama, I want to make different things.
What do you want to make?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, I don't know. But I want to make something else.
Okay. So start thinking, okay?
But what can I make? Her mama said I can only feel these.
Okay. So these are the tradition to feel, okay? On the day of Diwali.
Okay. Okay, now I put this prasadi right just now, and here. Okay. I'll keep this here, and this one here, of course. It can fit here also. Here. Oh. And there is no more. This one.
रोटी बेलने वाला
Whoa! Whoa!
रोटी
Big!
बेलने वाला लाओ ना
Which?
इस पे दो प्रसाद और
इधर रखने के लिए. Thanks. So we'll keep this here, and this can fit here. Mama, yeah, Mama, yeah. Here. You can keep this here also.
not time this then
What are you doing?
This is satisfying part of Diwali.
Really?
Yes. This is so much satisfying. I love this part of Diwali. Yes. Mama is lighting up all the
Bring
all
one glass of
the
water.
diyas. What?
One.
One?
One glass of water. Not that one. Bring from the tap.
From the tap.
Yeah. भैया बजाएगा भैया
No. फायर निकल रहा है इसमें से ग्रीन फायर निकल रहा है यार ग्रीन फायर निकल रहा है ग्रीन स्मोक
Show me. Oh.
और वो
एक और ले लेते हैं
गाना मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली
मुझे रेड फायर निकली अरे ये क्या है कितना छोटा सा निकल रहा है यार व्हाट इज दिस दिस मच इज I dropped it and what the heck yaar so the Diwali has ended and we have buy sweets and lots of more things. So many things we have done in this Diwali, and I will meet you in the next video. Then bye bye, happy Diwali.